A true story of how light of Salawat saves from the trap of deception. A sister, like many of us, was earnestly seeking the true blessings of Salawat. Along her journey, she encountered a brother who initially seemed knowledgeable and sincere about Salawat and its blessings. Their conversations on WhatsApp were enlightening at first. However, as he frequently steered the discussions towards unrelated topics, she began to feel a sense of unease and eventually ceased her responses. When the brother made peculiar claims about a special Salawat's blessing, the sister turned to Allah for guidance. She performed istikhara and increased her recitation of Salawat seeking divine guidance. A few nights later, she had a powerful dream. She saw herself standing by the window of a magnificent palace, floating high above the clouds. The scene was breathtaking. Suddenly, she noticed a man in ihram, white pilgrimage garments, flying toward her quickly. He looked terrified. As he got closer, she recognized him, the identical brother to whom she was talking about the blessings of Salawat. But behind him, a massive bolt of lightning was chasing him fiercely. As he neared, she stepped back in fear. He was forcefully turned away just before reaching her, with the lightning still pursuing him. Then, a thunderous voice echoed. Those who deceive in the name of Salawat, who lie and cast impure gazes upon women, this shall be their punishment forever. Suspended in the air, forever chased by divine wrath. She woke up in shock, drenched in sweat, but now everything was clear. She blocked his number, her heart filled with gratitude towards Allah Almighty for His divine guidance and protection. Recite Salawat in abundance, it brings blessings and protects you from bad people and evil intentions.